Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I am super excited to share with you this hotel property. It is the Hyatt Regency in Conejo Valley, and it is just a fabulous, fabulous place to stay. I'm going to walk you around here and just kind of show you the property, but we spent some time in Conejo Valley, and I am just blown away by not only this hotel, but just the entire area. There is so much to do here. Such a beautiful area. As you can see, a beautiful hotel. I'm going to walk you around the ground floor here while I tell you a little bit about this area. It's an easy 45-minute drive from Los Angeles, and there are so many wonderful things to do in this area. So as you can see, this Hyatt Regency itself is just beautiful. I love the vibe of this hotel. It's laid out so nicely and just honestly a really, really wonderful place to stay. I thought that it was also quite affordable when looking at prices, and it just puts you right in the middle of some really, really neat things to do. So I'm going to take you out to look at more of the property, and maybe you can even see the surrounding area, just how absolutely beautiful it is here. It's just like you step out of all of the crazy in LA and you come down here to just this beautiful area that is so idyllic. It's just wonderful, and it just has the best feel to it. Really clean, fresh air, easy drives, and it seems to be not overcrowded at all. Like we just have felt like it's just a very low traffic, laid back area. Love the weather. And the people have been so friendly. So anyway, I kind of wanted to give you a look at what the property itself of the Hyatt Regency is like. Got a pool area and all of these neat areas outside on the property. And I'll walk you back here. There's a gazebo, tons of space outside. And then they have a really nice gym area. I believe the gym is newer, like they've really updated this part of the hotel. So as you can see, fully equipped gym, ready for all your workouts, which you're going to want, because as part of a promotion that is going on right now, when you book this hotel, and I think 15 others in Conejo Valley, they have a promotion where you get a $100 Conejo Valley gift card, and we loved using ours. There's so many shops and wonderful things in the area, so that's a real big bonus, and I'll include information as to how you can do that promotion down below. But back to the inside of this hotel property, I want to show you we are in the back of the hotel on the ground floor again. This huge, lovely sitting area. This hotel would be so wonderful for family reunions, gatherings, weddings, and whatnot. There's a restaurant and a bar area over here. Just so spacious and so much room for all kinds of gatherings. Again, the decor and the feel of this hotel is just so wonderful, the way the light comes in and where it's situated. So I wanted to show you that. Now I'm going to take you up to the 4th floor where our rooms are at, so that you can kind of see how this theme continues throughout this entire hotel. It's just so well done. And again, it just has this feel to it that is just wonderful. So as you can see here, we're on the 4th floor. I'll give you a look around there, and now we can look down to where we just were in the big sitting room, and you can just see all of the light that comes in, and especially from the area around. I'll show you over here down to that same dining area and whatnot, and you can see through the windows how we're in this valley that is just beautiful, and that kind of surrounds you. And when you drive through Conejo Valley, you just won't believe what a wonderful area it is, and oh, it just has the best feel for it. So wanted to share that. I'm going to take you back here to show you our rooms, which we are in room 422 and 424. This is 424, which is more of a suite with a king-size bed, but look at how spacious and well laid out this room is. This would be great for families, especially if you did the adjoining room, so the kids can stay in one room, but you've got a sitting area there with its own television, this area with the king bed, has its own television as well. We actually were watching the same movie on two different TVs, laying in two different spaces, and that was really fun. There's a refrigerator area. This sofa also is a sleeper, so that allows for more people as well. And there's just so much room and space. You've got your coffee area and whatnot, the desk, again, the bed area. So much room, and just the hospitality at this hotel has been fantastic. And that's important when you travel and spend your money on a stay. Something that I really appreciate. The other thing I really appreciate is cleanliness, and this hotel property is so clean. The bathrooms are really well done. I like how they have the rain showers, and they also have the hand wands, which I'm a fan of because it makes it easy if you need to clean up swimsuits or do whatnot. Those come in really handy. Just really nice bathroom area. You've got, again, your coffee bar. You've got a safe to store your valuables in. Just lots of room, lots of storage space if you want to unpack. And then I'm going to show you our adjoining room, which was a 2-queen bed room. In here, again, would be great for family travel, to put the kids or the teenagers in. Both of these rooms have a balcony that looks out where you can see out into the valley. And just, again, super spacious, comfortable beds. Got your desk area in here, another refrigerator in here as well, another television set. Just super spacious. And you've got your plugins for all your charging. And again, the same things back here. You've got coffee machines, safe, whatnot. And then this bathroom, pretty much the same. Really liked their products. And again, they have the same rain shower with a wand. Overall, just a super neat property, something to consider if you get to Conejo Valley. The Hyatt Regency is just an amazing place to stay. And again, I'll include information down below of all of the things to do in Conejo Valley because we were blown away. You can find information on the Conejo Cash Card as well as just the favorite things that we found in this area. So I hope you enjoyed that. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSafe.com.